Parrot and magical seed. In the heart of the jungle, a parrot found a golden seed. Curious, he planted it near a stream. Days turned into weeks, and a tall tree with shining leaves grew. Its fruit was sweet and gave strength to whoever ate it. The parrot shared the fruit with all animals, from tiny ants to the mighty elephant. One day, a storm broke the tree. The animals gathered its seeds and planted them across the jungle. Soon, golden trees filled the land. The parrot smiled, for his one act of sharing had fed generations. Kindness, he knew, grows like a tree.